Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to access the inventory on Red Dead Redemption 2. So there are two ways to access the inventory. And the first way is just hold your tab button on your keyboard. And while holding the tab button, this will pops up on your screen and switch into items pressing I. So guys, this is one way to access the inventory. And another way is just press V on your keyboard. That opens your satchel. And switch it to anything you want to use it from here, pressing Q or E. So guys, this is how you access the inventory on Red Dead Redemption 2. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.